Hi guys, and welcome back again to Draft Project. Here I'll be showing you how to change your engine oil, spark plug gasket, and rocker cover or head cover gasket. Before you watch this video, subscribe now. Performing an engine oil change is usually done on a cold engine because all of the oil is in the oil pan, which is a perfect opportunity to perform an oil change. A dark colored oil is an indication of a dirty oil. It's normal and it needs to be changed periodically. Jack up the car and be sure to put some jack stands for safety. Loosen the bolt with a wrench or socket. Let the oil drain. Remove the oil cap and the dipstick to drain the oil faster. Remove the top cover to replace all of the gaskets. Remove the tension wire. You can see that the tension wire is covered with oil, meaning that the spark plug gasket needs to be replaced. Remove all nuts and washers. Remove the breather hose. Gently remove the top cover. Remove the head cover gasket and the spark plug gasket. By inspecting it, the gasket is a bit hard to flex, and the size of the gasket has been decreased. This is where the drain bolt and the oil filter are located. Loosen the oil filter by hand. Let it drain a bit before removing it completely. Remove all the remaining gasket. I will also replace this existing bolt with a new one since the threads are a bit worn out. I bought a drain bolt that comes with a new washer gasket. This is the new oil filter. It is smaller compared to its predecessor, which is the C809. I've noticed that nowadays, oil filters are becoming smaller and smaller, probably due to cheaper production costs and saving materials for more production. This is an optional procedure. I used to remove the oil on the camshaft in order to remove as much of the old oil in the engine. If you have an air compressor, you can just blow all of the oil into the drain hole. Wipe the area to remove the old oil. Remove all of the spark plugs to check the condition. In this case, it is wet with engine oil. Therefore, the engine will have difficulty in the combustion cycle. Be sure to clean the area to remove the dirt and oil. Upon the inspection of the spark plugs, it needs to be replaced since the insulator has cracks due to over torque on the process of installation. I will replace it with my spare plugs and I make sure that everything is clean. Gently install the new plugs and tighten it snug. Do the same thing to all spark plugs. Inspect, clean, and install if it is still in good condition. I bought a replacement part since the dealership ran out of stocks. This should last for 2 or 3 years. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the gaskets. See how the old one has been pressed for years, decreasing its size, causing it for the engine oil to leak. Lubricate each gasket with new engine oil for a better seal. Next is the head cover or rocker cover gasket. Take note of this code before going to the dealership. The old gasket solidifies due to heat and pressure. Here you can clearly see the difference of the size of the gasket. Lubricate the new gasket seal with new engine oil. Install the new drain bolt together with the new washer gasket. Lubricate the gasket seal of the new oil filter before installing it to the engine. Filling the oil filter with engine oil is not a great idea, since the oil filter is in a horizontal position, unlike modern cars which is placed vertically. Install the new oil filter and hand tighten it. Do not use any oil filter tool or wrench. If you tighten it with a tool, it will be hard to remove on the next oil change. Oil filter tool is only used on removal, not on the process of installation. Be sure that everything are tightened snug. I will be using a 5W40 engine oil. If you still have your owner's manual, please refer to the specific engine oil requirement for your vehicle. Fill the camshaft, bearings, and rocker arms with engine oil. Lubricate the surface where the gasket will sit. Install the head cover and put everything back to its place. Clean all the tension wires with alcohol or any type of cleaner. Be sure to remove any oil residue for a solid contact of electricity. Reinstall everything. Fill the engine with fresh oil. Be sure to check the dipstick to prevent it from overfilling. Start the engine and let it heat up. In the next morning, check the dipstick and fill it up to the right level. I hope you enjoy and find this video helpful. Subscribe now for more videos, and please don't forget to hit like and click the bell to keep you guys updated on my upcoming videos. Thank you very much and God bless.